Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. Explain the relationship between a functional area, use group and query when developing queries using the SAP query tool. Functional areas are used for groups or organizational elements used in SAP query that must first be created in order to use the query environment. The data that a query will be based on is defined in a functional area. A functional area is typically based on a logical database but can be any table and fields within the table. Users are assigned to use groups. Functional areas are also assigned for the user group, allowing users to create a start queries based on the data in that functional area. Multiple functional areas can be assigned to a user group and a functional area can be assigned to several different groups. Thank you for watching.